Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones Day trade setup for today. So we ended up with another 1,000 point move to the upside. So 1,000 points up, 1,000 points down, 1,000 points up, big down, big confusion. We are going into a long weekend now, so I suspect we may just get some profit taking, but who knows at the moment. I think this monthly level is still the key to everything right now. And I'm still of the opinion that there should be another leg down, and whether it's just to come test the lows or to come and create a higher low. But I think to get some decent structure built, I still believe we should be moving to the downside. So this monthly level, you can see it hasn't been breached yet. We have closed pretty much close to it, and we've closed on our high. It's a fairly bullish candle there, but we're going to have to wait and see what transpires here. So just moving down to the 3-hour, you see this could very well be a double top forming, and oscillators is also indicating potential double top. So we do have a diagonal trend line that we need to pay attention to, which is this trend line here. Let's just get that right there and move that up there. So we do have a diagonal trend line. There's no diversions or anything that we need to worry about at the moment. So I think we're going to have to watch and see how this thing pans out. So it may be consolidating here for a break above this level and looking for another high. Very possible. But the only way you're going to find this out is by waiting to see what transpires during the European session and then ultimately during the USA session. I think for me, probably just take the long weekend while wait to see what transpires. I think the volumes are going to be relatively thin from sort of the second half of the USA trading session as people start taking off for the holiday. I can't see people holding onto their trades. If anybody's sitting long on this, I can't see them holding over the long weekend, especially not with the political clowns that they've got in place at the moment. So this could be a flag forming here. Okay, could be a flag there. Also could be sort of a break below this level here. You can see there was consolidation here, more consolidation, that we moved to the downside. Okay, so in saying all of that, let's just get down to a 12-minute chart. Just have a look at what happened, transpired yesterday. You can see yesterday we had a fairly strong move, then we had a massive move to the downside, double bottom forming, and then we sort of got going. You can see the moving averages grouped together there. We got above them, traded to the upside. I think this was pretty much at the open, yeah. Where we broke back below the moving averages, and then the buyer stepped in to drive it up. Now what we're seeing at the moment is we have broken below the moving averages, but now we're back above them. Moving averages are all grouped together. So I suspect, get rid of all this noise. The first area is right at the top there. Okay. And the second area that we need to pay attention to is this low that we formed at the moment. That's the range that we need to get out of, either to the upside or the downside. So sort of a decent 12-minute close above that level, expect more upside. A decent 12-minute close below that level, the lower level, you expect some more downside. I think those are your fractals at the moment that I'd pay attention to. I know we should probably be looking at something like that, which is a break at the moment, but obviously based on that break, I think we'll probably come back to the upper side here. Okay, this thing is looking a little bit tired though. So it's just got the 4-hour chart here as well. So if you look at the 4-hour here, you'll see we do have a little bit of sort of a grouping of the oscillators indicating that we have a potential top. And just before we go, I just want to pull in an RSI quickly and just use a standard RSI of a 14 period, what everybody uses. And the only reason I want to do that is to highlight the 4-hour diversions here. Okay, if we take this to the 3-hour, you'll see the diversions as well. And if we come down to, sorry, that's the 1-hour diversions, 3-hour diversions, 1-hour diversions, daily nothing. But pretty much so from the 3 to the 4 to the 1, we do have some diversions here as well. Okay, so the only thing that's indicating for us is there is a potential top happening at the moment. Okay, but we obviously would need to break below the swing low here. Okay, so 23,270 is the area we need to get below, and that's going to validate shorts. Anything above 23,620, that's going to give us longs, and I would just be very cautious about where you're going with the longs, because look, if we do that where we are now, and I'm taking this off the 4-hour charts, and at a push up there, and then up there. I just want to look a little bit to the left just to see if there's anything else we need to worry about. And I don't seem to remember anything. There's one in the middle there. There's one right there. See all these tails here. So we come back to that area. You'll see we have quite a bit of resistance in the zone that we're at. So I'm a bit reluctant to look to chase longs at the moment. I think this is the profit-taking area. So anyway, I'm probably sitting on hands by the looks of things. Not really going to chase anything to the upside. If we do get any moves to the downside, I'll definitely look at capitalizing on some shorts, because I suspect that's going to be some profit taking today as people don't leave their trades in for the weekend. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.